So, hi mom and dads! Welcome dito sa channel ko. Ako nga pala si Coach Archie from AMP Studio. And today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit nga ba medyo pricey ang newborn photography. Alam naman namin na medyo pricey talaga ang newborn photography. May 4 kaming valid reasons behind it. Una sa lahat, hindi ito basta-basta picturan lang. Newborn photography requires training, skills, and experience. Lalo na pagdating sa safety ni baby. Kailangan alam ng isang newborn photographer kung paano hawakan si baby. Kung paano siya i-pose at paano siya patulugin ng hindi nagigising. We attended workshops sa Newborn Academy for Photographers Philippines led by Dr. Ian De Vera. Pediatrician siya and newborn photographer and kauna-unahang ambassador ng APNPI dito sa Pilipinas. Ano nga ba ang APNPI? Ang APNPI ay isang organization na nag-a-accredited sila ng Newborn Photographer International. So si Dr. Ian De Vera, kauna-unahan siyang ambassador dito sa Pilipinas. So with that, we invest safety para sure na comfortable si baby during the shoot. Pangalawa, mga gamit. Yung mga props, swaddles, blankets, heaters, and white noise, hindi basta-basta yan. Lahat yan specially made for newborns. And syempre, gusto rin namin maging malinis and cozy at safe ang setup ni baby. Pangatlo, editing. After the shoot, hindi doon natatapos ang trabaho namin. We spend hours editing each photos para maging perfect yung final output. Soft, clean, and timeless. And with that, hindi rin kami basta-basta gumagamit ng editing software. We also spend money sa editing software. Hindi lang ito basta-basta editing sa phone. It's a professional editing software like Evoto AI and Photoshop. Number 4, yung value ng baby mo. Ang newborn photography, hindi lang siya katulad ng product na pepresyohan mo lang na kahit magkano. Ang isang newborn photographer, maraming pinagdaanan yan. And ang nakasalalay dyan, yung safety ng baby mo. So when you invest in newborn photography, you're paying so much more than just a picture. You're investing in peace of mind, professional care, irreplaceable memories for your baby's first days. And speaking of booking, limited lang ang slots namin everyday. So kung buntis ka na ngayon or may kakilala ka na buntis, mas maganda makapag-book na kayo ng newborn photography ng baby nyo. Dahil we accept few clients every day to give our full attentions in every shoot. Let us help you capture this once in a lifetime moment. Archie Mercado Photography Studio,